Welcome to Cyfuture Cloud, your gateway to seamless and secure cloud hosting solutions. In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses need reliable and scalable cloud hosting services to stay ahead of the competition. And that's where Cyfuture Cloud comes in. Imagine, your business is booming, and your website is experiencing heavy traffic. With traditional hosting, this could mean slow loading times and frequent crashes. But with Cyfuture Cloud, those worries become a thing of the past. Our cutting-edge infrastructure offers high-performance cloud servers that can handle any workload, ensuring your website is always up and running, no matter the traffic volume. Security is paramount in today's digital landscape, and at Cyfuture Cloud, we take it seriously. Our state-of-the-art security measures protect your valuable data from any unauthorized access or potential threats, giving you peace of mind. Scalability is another crucial aspect of our cloud hosting service. Whether your business is just starting or experiencing rapid growth, our flexible scalability options allow you to expand your resources effortlessly, ensuring your website can handle any demands. But don't just take our word for it. Our satisfied customers testify to the reliability and performance of Cyfuture Cloud. They have experienced improved website performance, reduced downtime, and increased customer satisfaction. So, why wait? Experience the power of cloud hosting with Cyfuture Cloud and take your business to new heights. Visit our website or contact us today to get started. Cyfuture Cloud, your partner in the cloud revolution.